Guys, this song right Guys, this song right here, I hit early vibe. I know we all came here to party and have fun, but at the end of the day, everybody goes through stuff. And this song right here, performing it live, I never thought it would do what it does. It's no means one of my biggest songs. You know, sometimes I don't sing it all that well. Sometimes I might mess it up, but the meaning behind this song is crazy to me. And watching how y'all interact with it, I never thought I could make a song where I could see people in the crowd cry. And the lyrics really touch me the way it does, guys. So I just want to say, if you're going through something and somebody hasn't told you today, if they haven't told you already, I love you. Nobody else has said that, man. I love y'all guys. Y'all awesome. Y'all mean the world to me. Y'all are the backbone to every operation I do now. Y'all the reason that I'm up here and I couldn't do this without you. In life, there's going to be a whole bunch of speed bumps, but just like in the car, we get over every single one of those. So if you came in here with something on your shoulder, man, I hope y'all leave with it off, guys. Love y'all so much. I miss you. It's been too long since I've seen your face. He still hurts, and Dad still talks about you every day. He tells me I'm just like you in so many ways.